I did a study on water sources and community intervention towards sustaining these sources in the Baiga habitations of Pushparajgarh, Anuppur district, MP. And I named this particular project as thinking of water as a resource than just a source. I have very emotional connection with this particular project precisely because I interned during my summer internship with the Janaswasth Sahyog Anuppur, and their work in the areas of health as well as nutrition in the Pushparajgarh block in many of its villages. So one of the things or the outcomes of that particular exposure was I came to know about the water severity in that particular area. The elective course on water that really gave me a different perspective as well as the encouragement to take up this particular project and just make a study and try to come up with a small pilot of this particular project.
Where did you do the project?
I was in Pushparajgarh, a few villages of Pushparajgarh, namely Sarai, Adwar and Belapani. They were the areas of study that I had.
What emerged out of this project?
One of the very important things that emerged from this project was the very close monitoring of the structures that were constructed with the help of Manrega by the community. Most of the aspect with regard to these sort of constructions were not happy ending ones, precisely because not much focus was given to these constructions, or to say they were not scientifically done, and they never served the purpose for which they were built. So that was the saddest part. So through this particular project, I try to address this issue into the community or the group of people who are really concerned about water conservation, and this helped me to come up with something called Jal Saksharata and Samrakshan. It is nothing but water literacy and conservation. I am very happy to put all my thoughts with regard to the project into this particular poster. Though it was a difficult exercise because lot many experiences could not contain in this particular poster. I have left quite a few things, but I have spoken extensively about them in the presentation. I really feel good about this venture of the university to make sure that bringing these sort of creative ideas, helping students to think differently. I have been looking at other posters as well. People have been very creative in convincing their ideas, in convincing their experiences to larger set of audiences.